I want to continue what you just said. You said that the study has nothing to do with coming closer. And this subject, I see it in many friends, many tens. Some friends really want to come closer, but they don't want to commit themselves to the study. But they do want to come closer to the friends. They want it. And the moment it comes to a commitment to come to the lessons and to be with the 10, so no. So how to relate to these cases?
Each and every one has a tendency for greater study, or greater nearing for attaining the Creator or for attaining of the texts. You understand, when a person starts, he starts in a very confused way. He doesn't know exactly what's guiding him. Whereas the Creator is pulling us towards the goal. But in each and every one, it is revealed, it is evident through different foundations. The important thing is to give each and every one a place to annul themselves, to express themselves. And most important, that one person doesn't interrupt the other. If he interrupts, we have to see what to do with him. But if he doesn't interrupt, say he's in the 10. He comes, he sits, he keeps quiet. Or he comes and he's drawn to talking about the educational part, not the connection. Nevertheless, we have to see that the Creator gave us this friend, so in some way, indirectly, we would work on him, would help him, because he's part of our 10. If he's not corrupting the 10, then we have to invest more and more forces, so he would understand what each of us wants and to join us. And it's possible we need that to advance, because each one in the 10 is different than the other. And the fact that we have gathered, we don't understand, but it is all done from above. So we need to see each and every one in the 10 as probably necessary for the 10. If he's not interrupting, disturbing, physically going through against the connection.
Yes, I understand that. And there are 10s that have a core upon which all kinds of friends join, with different levels of commitment. But what should the 10 do, or a group do, when there's only a small amount of friends there? And I'm not talking about new friends. These are friends that have been studying for years, but they still can't commit the core of the group, but they would rather come closer, just they don't commit themselves to the lessons.
You mean commitment to the lessons, to the study, or they're unable to open the heart one towards the other?
It can be both.
So they need time. I can't tell you what's going on. They need time. Sometimes it's about time. The upper light takes care of people methodically, one after the other, and it takes time, and we need another day and another day until a penny and a penny are added to a great sum. What can you do? But if those friends, nevertheless, they come, they participate. Let's say a friend comes, one of the 10. He comes and he sits quietly. He can't say anything. What does it say? You should open for him. Try to talk to him, to pass the mic from one to another according to a certain order. So he would also have to say something. Have him prepare an excerpt for the next gathering of friends, so on, so forth. And make a gathering of friends daily for a few minutes and make him room. Other than that, we have the matter of the Gabbai and Shatz, doesn't matter how to call it, but someone responsible for something. You should prepare an excerpt for these 10 minutes that we gather. So once every 10 days, if we have 10 people, he's bringing us an excerpt, and we are reading it, we are talking about it, and so on and so forth. You know all those things, but again, we need more and more. There's nothing you can do about it. It takes a long time because the vessel is huge, and we don't correct only ourselves. We correct our connection with the entire Kli, and to the extent we begin to receive an awakening in our 10. And it appears even on the first degree, nefesh, the nefesh of the upper light, already we are connected to the entire vessel of Adam HaRishon. Although we may not see it, but we are connected. Like a baby, he's born, a newborn, he's born in this world, he has an ID.